Hello everyone and welcome back to Hannah's Happy Home. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to call this video Motivation Monday. Basically what a Motivation Monday video is basically a video of all of the things to help you get your week started off right. I know that for me, Mondays is always a very productive day because I like to get as much done as possible on Monday. I like to get all of my cleaning done, my laundry, my meal planning, my food prepping, like all of that I like to get done on Monday. That way I have the whole rest of the week to get everything else done, all of my YouTube work, my editing, my filming, all of that. So if you guys enjoy this Motivation Monday video, then you have to give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, share this video on Instagram or with your friends and family, because if this video doesn't do very well or if you guys don't really seem to enjoy it that much, I probably won't film them anymore. But if you guys do enjoy them, then I'll try to do them like every other week or once a month or something like that. Okay, so we are going to start off with meal planning, and I just print this simple meal plan off of my Macbook Pro. It has a app on there called Numbers, and under there you can print off like invoices, all that kind of stuff. It also has a weekly meal plan on there as well. So I get my groceries at Fry's, and I do grocery pickup because why wouldn't I? It's so easy, so nice. So I go on here and I add things to my cart. I see what coupons are available. I look at the weekly ads, see what's on sale this week, and I'll kind of base that off of what my meal plan is going to be. Before I start adding stuff to my cart or start planning out meals, we're going to go in the kitchen and see what we need to use up out of our fridge and our freezer and our pantry, see what kind of meals we can make from all of that, try to use up as much as we can out of there. So we don't have a pantry in our kitchen, so I just kind of use this cabinet as a pantry. This is where I keep all of the food. So I just went through here, whatever we were out of or running low on, I just went ahead and added that to my cart on the Fry's app. And then I also made a list of stuff that I need to use up, and then I can figure out what kind of meals I can make from that stuff. This cabinet over here is all of my spices and stuff, so I'll go through this and see what I'm running low on. Lastly, we have got to the fridge. There's not a ton of stuff in here. I'm just going to go through here, see what we're running low on, see what I need to use up. Okay, so I've went through the cabinets in the fridge, added everything to my cart, and I'm not going to go this into detail into my meal planning and grocery shopping and all that in every single Motivation Monday video. This isn't going to be in every single one. I just thought I would go into detail into my meal planning and grocery shopping in this one, at least just for you guys, so that I can reference you back to this video if you want to see how I meal plan and stuff. So I'm going to meal plan here real quickly based off of what I have left in my kitchen and what's on sale, and see what we can come up with for this week. I kind of botched up this meal plan. I tried to fit too much stuff here up on the top row. Basically, for breakfast, when we get back from town, I'm going to be prepping some breakfast burritos, and my husband will just have those for breakfast every morning throughout the week except for the weekend. And then for me this week, I'm going to be having like either oatmeal or toast and eggs for breakfast. And then the boys this week will just have cereal and eggs. That's usually what they have every morning. And then for lunches, I usually just make extra of whatever I make for supper, and then the next day my husband can just have the leftovers for that in his lunch. And then for myself for lunches, I'm trying to eat a little bit better. I'm trying to work out every day, so I'm going to be meal prepping myself some bowls of like fish and veggies or brown rice. And then for supper this week, we're doing lasagna, chili, poor man's stew, pizza, potato soup, spaghetti, and then I just always leave Sunday blank. And that is what I've got so far for the meal plan. I can always add different stuff to it throughout the week. So yeah, that is my meal plan for this week. Hopefully you guys enjoyed getting to see me meal plan. I won't do this in every single Motivational Monday video, like I said. I just wanted to share it with you guys this week. So I've got my pickup order scheduled for 12 o'clock, so we need to get going so that we can run a couple of errands before we pick up those groceries. Okay, so my first errand is to run to the post office and pick up the pile of mail that's collecting down there, because they will not deliver the mail to our mailbox until we upgrade the mailbox. So last week I went into Lowe's and I got like one of the biggest mailboxes. I brought it home here. It's still not big enough, so I have to go back to Lowe's and see if they have an even bigger mailbox today. So yeah, those are two of the errands that I need to get done today. Just checked my P.O. box, and a bunch of you sent me Christmas cards, so thank you so much to those of you who sent Christmas cards. Okay, so we're in Lowe's. This is the one that I got that was too small. Looks like the biggest one that they have is this one right here. This thing is huge. I don't know why we need a mailbox this big, but this is the 15-inch This one should work, hopefully. Okay, we have picked up all of our groceries and now we're gonna head home. Okay, I got all of the groceries out of the bags and on the table. I'm not going to do a full-on grocery haul just because I want to get into the cleaning and laundry here, and this whole grocery portion of the video is taking a lot of the video's time. But I'll just kind of give you an overview. I just got stuff that we're out of and stuff for recipes. I'm also hosting a baby shower next week, so I had to get stuff for that. We've got some chicken, a pizza. I got a whole bunch of veggies. Red potatoes were on sale. I got some tea to make some sweet tea, some veggie chips, some brown sugar, bananas, apples, just a wide variety of stuff. Before we start putting all that stuff away, I want to real quickly just clean out my fridge, straighten it up a little bit, give it a quick wipe out, and then we can put all the groceries away. So the groceries are all put away, and now we're gonna start tackling some of this cleaning and this laundry. First thing I need to do, wash some dishes, then I need to get some laundry started and also fold the pile of laundry that's on the couch. Looking all kinds of crazy after this very busy day that we've had. but I got some cleaning done. I got the floor vacuumed. I got that laundry folded, put away. Clothes are almost done in the washer, and then we can switch those over to the dryer. But before I start making supper and end this video, I'm going to do a little bit of meal prep. At the beginning of the week, I like to prep breakfast burritos for my husband. I'll usually make 6 of them for Monday through Saturday. That way I'm not making him breakfast burritos at 5:30 in the morning when I get up to pack his lunch. I like to have those pre-made and in the fridge so that each morning throughout the week I can just pull them out and heat them up when I'm packing his breakfast and lunch. Makes it so much easier. So I'm going to prep 6 of those right now, and then I'm going to make supper. Okay, so I'm gonna end this video here. It's already 5:30 and I just wanna quit filming for the day and just spend the evening with my family. I didn't quite get to film as many motivating things as I wanted to in this video. I wanted to film more cleaning, organizing, stuff like that. But hopefully you guys still enjoyed this video and it was motivating for you. If you wanna see more Motivation Monday videos, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.